Hi, this is Vijay. I recently bought Seltos HTX petrol, and after that we took this on a northeast trip from Bangalore to northeast. So from past 7 days, I've been driving this. So I thought I'll share my opinion about this car. Since I'm not a car expert, but I know my basics, this is not a review. Uh, this is just my opinion of how this car how this car is. Just my opinion, and I've done 4,000 kilometers so far. 1,000 of it is in city, and the rest of it is on highway for this trip. So I kind of have an idea of how this car is in city and how this car behaves on highways. So this is just my opinion on what I feel about this car. Things I like are, in city it cruises through the traffic, no issues. You can just easily go. The turning radius and all are pretty good. And coming to highway, this is brilliant. This car you can keep driving for hours together, as I've just done. Every day morning to evening I've been driving it. I have no issues. Comfort is brilliant, and the driving is smooth. The gear shifting, beat, clutch and all, it's pretty good. And even the minor bumps and all, I'll not even notice. I'll just cruise through. It's brilliant. And features wise, this car is loaded. I got this HTX. It's kind of mid variant in Seltos, and the thing mattered to me was the speakers. From the next variant onwards, they provide Bose speakers. What I've got here is RKMS. HTX comes with RKMS. To me, I wanted Bose, but I kind of saw this. But RKMS is pretty good. This speaker is brilliant. If I'm listening to some non-vocals or trance, it puts out all the minute beats and all the instruments you get to hear. It's brilliant. And feature-wise, I have to talk about the 10-inch display. This is very useful. Most of the time you will be on the maps, especially when you are outside or even in city, you will be on the maps. That's what you will use it for most of the times. And the map that comes with the map app that comes with the built-in Evo connected car is pretty good. The maps, it is pretty good. I've always been using Google Maps. As compared to that, this is pretty good. As in, if there are two fork roads, it clearly tells which one to take, and when there is a flyover on your right, it literally clearly shows you have to take the right elevated one. That I kind of liked it. Google Maps, it's kind of just a blue line, and it's not helpful sometimes. Also, what I noticed as compared to Google Maps is, Google Maps tries to tell you the road and all. Most of the times the pronunciation, it gets funny, and it's not useful. For example, if I'm going somewhere, all I'm interested in is whether I have to take left, right or which road. Google tells the whole address, and it's not useful. Whereas this one doesn't tell you. It just tells you to take left, right or the fork road. That's pretty useful. That's all you need. And yes, the Android Auto, it comes with Android Auto for anything else you would require. That's more than enough. It also has CarPlay, but I'm using Android. That's all there is to it. And the voice, the not so good aspect about this car is the voice command. It has the Hello Kia thing, voice command. It's as far as my experience, it's not always spot on. Most of the times you have to speak very clearly, slowly, and it's not useful. And most of the times there's two things to it. One, most of the times it doesn't take the sentence properly, whatever you say. And the second part is, even if it takes the sentence correctly, it doesn't process it rightly. It's kind of annoying. But there is Google, OK Google to it. there is this hotkey, voice command hotkey, which you would use one tap, it triggers Kia. Whereas if you press and hold, if you are connected to Android Auto, it starts the Google voice command assistant. That's all you need. You don't need Kia, Hello Kia. And Google works, the voice command of Google is pretty much smooth, as we know. I believe the long press on the voice command works for if you are connected on iOS, it triggers Siri, but I'm not sure about it. Android, that's how it works. Long press, it starts Google. Okay, Google.